I typed an idea and this AI designed the graphic, which is incredible if you ask me. But hold on. Let's pause for a second and let me ask you something. How many times have you had an idea for a design, a poster, or even an Instagram post? Maybe even something that you're thinking about selling. But the moment you open that graphics tool, you get stuck. You're searching templates, you're changing fonts, you're moving things around, and 2 hours later, you still don't have a design or something that you're proud of. Now, imagine this. You type your idea and the design is created for you. It's not basic, neither is it generic, but it's something that actually looks like a professional designer made it. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. If this is your first time here, I want to say welcome. And if you have been here over the last few years, I want to say thank you for your loyalty. Let's jump right into it. Now, let's start with the problem. It's turning that idea into something that could go viral. Because the old ways of doing things look like this. You have the idea, you open the design tool like I said earlier, you search the template, you try to customize it, and then you get frustrated. And sometimes you even give up, or you have to find a designer, then you have to pay them, and then you have to wait for sometimes multiple revisions. And for most people, that's a bottleneck. That's what slows everything down and obviously costs more than sometimes we're willing to pay. But now there's actually a different way to approach this. And this is where a new tool from one of my favorite AI tools saves the day. Gamma just released Imagine. And Gamma Imagine is gonna allow you to take an idea, describe it, and instantly generate visuals. And these are visuals like infographics, posters, social media graphics, and even logos and diagrams. And here's the best part. You don't need any design skills to do this. You don't need to switch between tools. It's like having an AI design partner right there with you. But you know what? Enough talking. Let me show you how incredible Gamma Imagine is. And I'm gonna do so step by step with this demo. So let me go grab my computer. Now I have placed a link in the description. It's gonna be at the top. So just go below the video title, click more, and you'll see it right there. And it's gonna give you access to Gamma. And once you're inside, what I want you to do is to select Create New. And next, you're gonna select Generate. And then you're gonna select graphics as I'm doing here from the menu, which is the example we're gonna start with. And this, rock stars, is where the magic begins. Now, step 2 is to write your prompt. Now, instead of spending time researching through templates, which is the old-fashioned way of doing things, you're simply going to describe what you want. Let me use this prompt as an example. Create an infographics explaining AI automation in a modern, clean style. That's it. No dragging elements, no choosing colors, just an idea. And all you're gonna do to see what it's gonna look like is to click Generate Variations as I'm doing here on screen. Rockstars, check out these options that were generated in a matter of seconds. I think they are incredible. But you can tell me in the comments what you think. Now, as you can see, we got multiple design options, we got different styles, we got different layout, and this was all based on one idea. And you can actually generate more options if you like by clicking Generate More right here. Now, this is exactly what I mean when I say you're not just creating these assets faster, you're actually exploring creativity in a way that you probably wouldn't have done on your own. Do you have any idea how much time and effort it would take to create these kind of graphics before Gamma Imagine? Now imagine creating something like this for work. It would be mind-blowing to your boss, and I won't tell him if you don't that we used Gamma Imagine to get it done. Now let us test out Gamma Imagine with something that's more popular, like a social media post. Let's say you are a fitness trainer and you're looking to create posts for your social media platforms. You can select graphics again right here, and we're gonna enter this prompt as I'm doing here on screen. Design a fitness transformation poster with before and after concept, bold headlines, energetic colors, modern gym branding, and then we're gonna select generate. And again, look at these results. Incredible. Again, tell me in the comments what you think. Now, let's get more practical for a second, because this is where the money is. Let's say you are an influencer or a content creator and you decide to approach a local restaurant or even a hair salon or any local business places, but let's stick to a restaurant for now, and you offer to manage their social media. Instead of pitching them the idea, what I would recommend you do is to show them what they're missing by creating something using Gamma Imagine that blows their mind. Let me show you exactly how to do this. First, you're gonna select graphics and you're gonna choose social media post from the menu options here, and you're gonna pick a layout based on the concept of what you want to create, and we're gonna enter a prompt like this one that I'm showing you here on screen. And if you want to get ideas for prompts, just go into ChatGPT and explain the business that you're targeting, what it is that they do, and ChatGPT will be able to give you some ideas. Now, after you insert or type in your prompt, you're gonna go ahead and choose the theme like I'm doing here. You want to also choose the aspect ratio, which is really the size, and how many variations you want to generate. And then of course, you can also select the quality level, and then you're gonna hit generate variations. And rock stars, here are the results. Simply incredible. Can you tell I'm impressed? How many times have I already said incredible? And just like that, Gamma Imagine creates multiple professional designs that you can now take to the business and say, this is what your social media page could look like. And by approaching it this way and show them what their social media could look like, it makes the offer to manage their social media account much harder to refuse, because now they can envision what their page could actually look like. And here's the thing, because you created the graphics so easily using Gamma Imagine, you can actually charge them less than the competitors out there, so that you give them an advantage that is a lower price, so that they choose you to handle their social media. Now, I want you to imagine doing this for 5 businesses, maybe 10 over time. Let's say you're charging these businesses $300 per month to post on their page, or $50 or even $10 per post. That starts adding up real quick. And keep in mind, this is not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna take you some time to secure these clients, but we know what's possible. Because one thing we know is that there are a lot of small businesses or local businesses out there that are paying people to manage their social media pages. Now, it doesn't stop there. I got so addicted to using Gamma Imagine to create that I decided to create a few more things following the same steps that I just showed you. This wedding invitation that I'm showing you here is something people actually sell online, as you can see here, and it can make pretty good money based on the volume of sales that I'm showing you here. To create a party invitation like this one, you can also use Gamma Imagine. And I also used it to create this logo for one of my friends' business by simply selecting logo here from the menu and entering a prompt. And by the way, this is the same Gamma that creates beautiful presentations and documents that I've talked about in several of my videos. And these are what some of those presentations and documents look like. And you can watch this video here that I'll actually link in the description on how you can use Gamma to do that. Gamma Imagine is from Gamma. But here's the thing, that's not all. Let's move to step 4 and let's go ahead and choose and insert. And what we're gonna do is, let's go back to that infographics option that we created first, this one that I'm showing you here on screen. All you'll do is to pick the one that you like from the options that were generated, and you can then insert it directly into a presentation, a social media post, or even a marketing graphics. And you don't need to export, you don't need to switch apps to do this, because everything stays in one place. And listen, this is the part that people people don't talk about enough. It's not just about the speed, it's about what this unlocks. Because sometimes you don't even know what the best design should look like. But when the AI gives you options, it sparks new ideas. It sparks new direction and new possibilities. And that I know for a fact is very powerful. Now let's talk about how to use Gamma Imagine to make money. And I'm gonna approach this from a very practical perspective. So let me give you a few simple ways that you can. First, you can create social media graphics for businesses, like I showed you in the example earlier. These are for small businesses right now that need posts, that need flyers, that need promotion, and they don't have a designer who can deliver this, or their designer is too expensive. You can actually use Gamma Imagine to not just generate the content like I showed you earlier, but to market it on freelance platforms like Fiverr and then get paid when customers actually purchase your social media packages. The second way that you can use it to make money is to create digital products. Think about infographics like this one, or educational visuals like this one, or printable posters like this one. You can actually sell these on Etsy, as I'm showing you here. And as you can see, these are making decent money on Etsy based on the amount of sales that these sellers are seeing. You can also sell it on your own website, like I do on my website, odetarocketcar.com. Now, another way that you can use Gamma Imagine to make money is with content creation. If you have a YouTube channel, as an example, or you post on Instagram or on TikTok, you can create better visuals faster. And what this means is that you can create more content, you can have more consistency, and you can potentially grow more. There's also branding ideas as an option that you can use to make money. You can create logos for small businesses, concepts, and visual identity ideas. You can use Gamma Imagine to pitch ideas to clients who are willing to pay you or even allow you to build their brand at a certain cost. And let me put things into perspective. Over 70 million users are already using Gamma. Thousands of teams are using it, and millions of visuals are being created every single day. This is not something that's coming in the future. Absolutely not. This is already happening. And right now, Gamma Imagine is available for users to try. And again, I've placed a link in the description where you can explore it. So if you are ever stuck when it comes to design, this is actually something that you want to test yourself and to explore. Because in the end, the biggest shift here is this. You don't need to start with templates anymore. You start with your imagination. You describe your idea and the design comes to you. And that, it changes everything. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, walk good.